It is I, Rami. A lot of events and occurrences will transpire on Christ's watch, which just started in modern times this year, in 2021, in a somewhat larger way. Know that we allow things to transpire that will help us to meet our collective goals. These will affect everyone in one way or another, but it's Christ's attitude about it that we hope will set the standard. Christ always sees the good more than the bad and will do just fine no matter what is happening. Christ is the calm in any storm, and many storms are nothing more than reactions to changes. The earth itself is changing. It only wants to host beings who have raised their vibrations and will support the natural world instead of raping and pillaging it, largely to profit off consumer goods. Christ supports all of creation, including Gaia, who has largely not been supported by mankind. Adjustments are in order. Environmental concerns are only one of the changes that must occur as we transform the Earth project. Global warming, due to greenhouse gases and harm caused to species such as elephants and sharks, who are mutilated for their ivory tusks and fins, are all overlooked symptoms of a sick society that has been abusive in its relationship with the natural world. Christ does no harm and does not support those whose values are not in alignment with love. You can see clearly that the status quo of all that is not in alignment with love and the mere presence of love is a recipe for some friction. In truth, Rami.